Good morning, friends. Previously, we learned in chapter number 11 Algebra how to form expression using operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We also learned how to write expression from the statement and how the expression are formed. Okay, how to write statement from the expression that we already learned in the previous video. So today we will solve some statement, writing the expression from the statement. Again, it is very important because in a word problem you need to write expression from the statement. So first we will take the simple statement and how expression are formed. So that we will learn. So first, a is diminished by 2. Now diminished means it is a subtraction. The words are different. You need to remember which word represent addition, which word represent subtraction, which word represent multiplication and which word represent division. When it is more than, when it is increased, added, so that will give addition. So when it is a decrease, less than or like this word, it is represent subtraction. Okay, so let's write a is diminished by 2. It means a minus. Now next, 5 times x. 5 times means multiplication, so it is 5 multiplied x, that is 5x. The product of y and x. Product of y and x is again multiplication, so 7x. Next, a times b. So a times b means a multiplied b, so that is a. Next, 3 times x added to 1. So first 3 times x, it means 3 multiplied x and added to 1. So that represents added to 1. So this will give 3x plus 1. Next, 4 times sum of x and 1. 4 times. But what 4 times? Sum of x and 1. So first here we need to write sum of x and 1. Sum of x and y is this one. And 4 times of x and y, that is multiplied by 4. You can multiply 4 at the last, then it is also correct. Now next, 3 times x is subtracted from y. 3 times x is subtracted from y. From y you need to subtract 3 times x. So from what? Y. Subtract 3 times x. So y minus 3x, that is expression. Next, 5 more than thrice a number x. 5 more than means it is the addition of 5 in which thrice a number x. Thrice means 3 times number x. 5 more means add 5. So it is 3x plus 5. That is expression. Clear? Now next one. 3 times x added to 7 times 1. 3 times x added to what? 7 times 1. So here we can write 3 times x added to 7 times 1. Next, quotient of x by 4 is added to 1. So whatever answer is there for x by 4, so that is given by x by 4, that gives the quotient. So whatever answer is of x by 4 is added to y, so that will give x by 4 plus 1. Next one, quotient of z by 6. So here we can split this statement. Quotient of z by 6, that is nothing but z by 6 is multiplied by x. So z by 6 is multiplied by x. So that is z by 6 multiplied x. So you can write zx by 6, then it is also correct. Now next, quotient of x by y. So what is quotient of x by y? It is this one, is added to product of x and y. Product of x and y. So this one is added to product of x, y. Next, 3 taken away from the quotient of x by 2y. So 3 is taken away from what? From quotient of x by y. So here we can write x by 2y, and from this we need to take away 3. Now next, 8 times a number p. 8 times a number p, that is 8p, is x less than a number y. Now this 8p is what? X less than a number y. So here we can write 8p is equal to y minus x. Here this is a equation, because 8 times p is what? Is means they are same. So here we can write equal to sign y minus x. Why we need to write y minus x? Because y is less than x. So it is y minus x. Now here some statements are given that you need to write in homework. Here from statement you need to write algebraic expression. Okay. Now we will start exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Make up as many expression with numbers no variable as you can form with 3 numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So here 3 numbers are given, 5, 7 and 8. Using this number you need to form a numerical expression no variable. You don't need to use variables, only 3 numbers 5, 7 and 8, and 3 operation, addition, subtraction and multiplication, and also one condition is that every number should be used only once. So we can write the numerical expression like, first we can add 2 numbers 5 plus 7 minus 8. So here we use 2 operation for 3 numbers, addition and subtraction. So this way we need to write as many equation or as many expression for this 3 numbers. So let's write 5 multiplies 7 minus 8. That is one more expression. 5 minus 7 minus 8. That is one more expression. 5 multiply 8 plus 7. 5 multiply 7 multiply 8 minus 7. 5 multiply 8 minus 7. 5 minus 7 minus 8. You can write plus 8. 7 minus 8 multiply 5. 5 multiply 7 plus 8. 8 minus 5 plus 7. So this way you can form many expressions using this 3 number and 3 operation, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now next question number 2. Which out of the following are expression with numbers only? So here expressions are given and you need to write the expression with numbers only. Numbers only means that there is no variable in expression. So your first expression is y plus 3, but y is a variable. So this is not a expression with numbers only. Now for second, 7 multiply 20 minus 8z. So here z is variable, so it is again not a expression with numbers. C is 5. So here in a C there is no variable, so this is expression with numbers only, so our answer is C. D is 5 inside the bracket 21 minus 7 plus 7 multiplied 2. Now you can see here all are the numbers, so D is also expression with number only. Next 3x. X is a variable, so this is not a variable expression with number only. 5 minus 5, so n is variable, so this is also not our answer. Next one 7 multiplied 20 minus 5 multiplied 10 minus 4 45 plus p. So p is a variable, that's why it is not our answer. Next question number 3. Identify the operations addition, subtraction, division and multiplication in a form. In forming the following expression and tell how the expression have formed. So expressions are given and you need to write which operation is performed. Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. And you need to write how it is formed. So here first z plus 1. So which operation is there between z plus 1? That is addition. So here for this we can write addition. And 1 is added to z. Z minus 1. Which operation is here? Subtraction. For y plus 17. Which operation we have? Here addition. And for next one it is a subtraction. You can see the subtraction sign, so it is operation of subtraction between y and 17. Now next 17y. So which operation is there between 17 and y? Multiplication. So for first one we have multiplication. Y divided by 17. So that is a division. And 5z, it means it is a multiplication. So we can write operation of multiplication is performed between 5 and z. Next one 2y plus 7. Here we have two operations. First between 2 and y, that is a multiplication, and 17 is added, means it is addition. So we can write it is multiplication. And addition. And for second 2y minus 17. So here 2 is multiplied with y, that is multiplication, and then 17 subtracted, so it is subtraction, so we can write multiplication. And subtraction. For next one 7n. So for first expression 7n, it is multiplication, so we can write for first multiplication is performed. Minus 7m plus 3. Now here it is not a subtraction. Minus 7 is an integer and then it is multiplied with m. So first it is multiplication and then addition. For third one minus 7m. Again minus 7 is not a subtraction. It is integer. Minus 7 is multiplied with variable m and then subtract 3 from that. So here we can write first operation is multiplication and then addition is performed. For third one multiplication and then subtraction is performed.